Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. It has a brand new adaptive vans conversion on it. If you haven't heard of adaptive vans, they're out of the Atlanta, Georgia area. What I like about their conversions, they separate the conversion, the power door, from the ramp. So if you have a problem with the ramp, you fix the ramp. If you have a problem with the door, you work on the door. You see, you have to hold the down button there. What I don't like about a lot of the Braun conversions and the VMI, if one goes bad, you have to work on both of them. They get to charge you twice as much labor. Those big companies, they make more money on the servicing the vans over and over and over. They make them so they'll break easy. I like this conversion. Very reliable. You either have A or B. You don't have both mixed in. So 30-inch wide ramp, 54 inches coming inside the van, about 57 inches of headroom inside the van. You see it's got the carbon fiber floor, brand new conversion. Back seats are the leather cloth combination. Hardly ever been sat in. It's also got the power sliding door with the key over here. Comes out nicely. It's got tie down tracks there. We give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Has the removable passenger seat, rear air controls, come up on the dash. This is pretty much about like a brand new van. It's super clean. Got the steering wheel controls, so whether it's you driving or someone in your family, they can keep their eyes on the road. Very nice to have good safety features. And speaking of safety, has the backup camera. Dual climate control. The driver can be one temperature. The passenger can be a second temperature. You can even have a third temperature in the rear. Has plenty of cup holders, even in the doors over there. When you've got everybody secure, you can come back out. It's got two fobs for the keys. So you take one of these, you hold the up button. Very simple. If something goes wrong, this is basically a winch motor. Very affordable to replace. Try and see what a ramp motor costs to replace on a Braun. Yeah, good luck. Then all of our doors can also be operated up top here. Actually, can also be operated there as well. Has the power remote trunk also, and also has the auto start. So if you're out and want to warm up your vehicle, or you want to cool it off in the summertime, that auto start is super nice. If you've never had it, you'll love it. Tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Got the roof rack in case you want to do any extra traveling and need a little bit of extra room. The alloy wheels. Tires are all pretty much in brand new condition. Just pretty much everything on this van is just about brand new condition. I don't see any dents. I don't see any scratches. I'm not saying there's not a single scratch in this paint, but boy, it's sure hard to find any blemishes in this van whatsoever. Inside the van, we've just had it professionally detailed. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke in here. Power driver seat works great. You can see the leather cloth combo, the leather around the outside edges, cloth there in the middle. Current miles on the van, 2,832. Very low miles. Start it right up. Starts up first time every time. You can see the all the dummy lights work. Got the backup camera as well, like I mentioned. Very nice feature to have. I've had all our mechanics. We've tested the heat, the air, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You can see those are all working. This is not some van that you come and you buy, or we ship it out to you and it's got a bunch of problems we didn't tell you about. That's why I make these videos. I want you to see exactly what you're getting. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. It sounds good. Check the fender rails for damage. We looked at the radiator support. We check these vans over for damage. We check them very thorough. We check them for any water damage. We check them for any leaks. I am buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want anything that's been in a flood. I don't want anything that's been in a bad accident. I don't want anything that's been got a lot of rust on it. You can buy these vans for a dime a dozen. I can, even up in New Jersey, Chicago, New York. Then you go and you look underneath them and they're all rusted out. Even ones that are just a year old or so. They've already started corrosion. Folks, if you buy a van that's got a lot of rust, if it won't pass inspection, you can't register it. You can't register it, you can't drive it. How many thousands of dollars did you just spend on a vehicle you can't drive? So I don't care who you buy from, I hope it's us. Make sure they get out and make a video for you. You can make anything look pretty in pictures. Just look at online dating. But tell them to get out and make a video for you. Crawl underneath it so you know exactly what you're getting. Have them take it out on a test drive. If you're going to spend thousands and thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money, make sure that the company you're buying from represents their vehicle honestly and fairly. And buy from a company like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been doing this over 8 years. We're A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. And you get to deal with the owner, me, Jeremiah. So let's get the van on the test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I want to get them out on the highway, and I want you to know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, whether you drive in or fly in and drive the van home, that we've made sure this van is roadworthy. So I'm gonna give it some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. It's at about 70 miles an hour, no problems. The steering wheel is nice and straight. And this van tracks very nicely down the highway. I'm going to set the cruise at about 60 miles an hour. Cruise control works just fine. And folks, keep in mind, I know there's a lot of people selling mobility vans. I want you to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If you're buying from an individual, you never know who you're buying from. You never know what you're going to get. And they aren't held to the same standards as a dealer is. So be very careful if you're going to buy from an individual. If you're buying from another dealer, check their Better Business Bureau rating. If they don't have an A+ rating, I would ask you, why are you shopping with them? Also ask other dealers, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? A lot of these dealers have a nice looking price and they try to slip in $500 there, here, $300 there, $600 there, and by the end of it you got $1,500 in fees they didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. That's a shady way to do business in my opinion. Also want to ask, do they get out and make a video for you? Do they crawl around underneath the van? Do they take it on a test drive? So you know exactly what you're getting. So I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No squeaking, no grinding, no unusual noises. So is this van a brand new van? Ooh, not far from it. Does it run, drive, and look like a brand new van? I'd say pretty dang close. I mean, I can't really find any blemishes or anything wrong whatsoever with this fan. And I go back to what you're comparing us to, who you're comparing us to. Make sure you get yourself a video. I also want to ask, do they offer free shipping in the lower 48 states? This is what I do for a living. You can let me handle that, so you can sit back and relax and wait for your van to get there. Also, we have over 500 ratings on eBay. All of those ratings are positive. That's 500 people that said Affordable Mobility Solutions did me right. That's 0 people that said we did them wrong. One last thing is, you get to deal with me. I'm Jeremiah, I'm the owner. If you call, there's a 99% chance I'll be the one answering the phone. A lot of these salesmen, they have quotas to meet. They have, managers telling them you have to sell this, you have to sell that, or else you lose your job. You really want to buy from somebody like that, that's just out there to meet a quota? Because whether it's 5 years from now or 10 years from now, I'm going to be the one answering the phone. I don't have quotas. I don't have anyone telling me I have to sell more. I do what's best for the company, and what's best for the company is what's best for my customers. So please keep all those things in mind when you're comparing us. I know there's a lot of deals on the internet that look too good to be true. Don't get fooled by one of those. Don't be one of those people that loses thousands of dollars, makes a huge mistake buying from someone that's not reputable. And if you ever want to see all of our inventory, please check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. Also, give me a call anytime, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Like I said, you're going to reach me, Jeremiah, the owner. We do have financing available. We can send you an application. You can fill it out online. So let us know how we can help you. And I just want to say sincerely, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.